Welcome. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send your Instagram story link to a group on Messenger using your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become even easier, so let's get started. First, open Instagram on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you have any stories uploaded, you will see them at the top of your feed. Click on your profile picture to access your story. Next, open your story. This will allow you to view the content you've shared. Once it's open, take a look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Here, you'll find the URL link to your story. Now, it's time to select the link from the address bar. Simply click on the address bar to highlight the entire URL. This is crucial as it ensures you have copied the correct link. After highlighting the link, right-click and choose Copy from the context menu that appears. Alternatively, you can use keyboard shortcuts. Just press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the link. With the link copied, navigate to Messenger by clicking on it from the left side menu of your browser. This will take you to your Messenger interface, where you can chat with friends and groups. Once in Messenger, enter the group you want to share your story with. Click on the group chat to open it up. Now that you're in the chat, simply paste the link by right-clicking in the message box and selecting Paste, or by using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Finally, hit Send, and voila! Your Instagram story link is now shared with your group. This method is not only quick, but also allows everyone in the group to easily access your story directly from Messenger. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively share your Instagram stories with friends or groups using just your PC. Happy sharing!